This is what it looks like. We got a shrimp here. We got 50 shrimps here. We got 10 lobster claws, snow crab, mussels, lobster tail, baby potatoes, corn. Stay tuned. Here we are. Because it's such a big package, I have to do this in stages. So here I'm gonna do my shrimps first. This here cannot fit in that pot. So what I'm gonna do is do my shrimps first. I have my onions, I have my green onions, I have some chili flakes, I have a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add some butter. Seafood loves butter. Remember that. So I'm gonna add my shrimps. I got 50 shrimps here. One thing with these shrimps, some of them dangerous. You know, them have a thing here, sir. Right here. You see that? That usually stabs you. Stabs you good too. So I'm gonna cook this first. I'm gonna let this cook for a while. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the end result. I have enough room in the pot so I can get it in there. I love mussels. Some people just don't like it, but I just find them so interesting. Wow. Beautiful meat. Very beautiful meat. Tastes like conch.
We're going to change the channel's name to Chef Mike's Quick Cooks.
This one I'm making Cajun. I gotta repeat this process at least 1, 2, 3 times to get everything. And the tray is like this big, and I'm a tall guy. Nice. Get the bottom to the top and the top to the bottom. There it goes. Cover it up for 5 minutes and let it go for a little bit, then it's finished. Guys, we're all done here. Alright, so this is step 1 to this seafood boil, this mega boil. So this is all done, so I'm going to exchange and wash the pot and do some new. I'm going to do the claws next. Okay guys, here it is. That's phase 1. this is next. Got my lobster tails, claws, and corn. So that's gonna be phase 2. Almost finished with phase 2. Next phase is the snow crabs, blue crabs, and the potatoes, and then we're done. I wonder what this is. Cajun? Get that Cajun in there. We're gonna add some parsley flakes. No flavor, just texture. Gonna add some fish. Some seafood seasoning. All 3 steps are the exact same. Some chili flakes again. Adding that to here, the potatoes. I wonder what I'm missing. I think I'm missing butter, paprika again. 3 stages, everything the same. helps it to steam. I got it covered for a good 5 minutes. Solid heat on that. Over here, got this, so it gets that juice, like that gravy flavor. Yeah. Let me take the sun. It's there. So I'll give it another couple minutes. Cover it.